Across thousands of acres of American farmland, pistachio orchards produce millions of pounds of premium nuts every year. Farmers carefully prepare the orchard, maintaining healthy soil and ensuring irrigation systems. The journey begins as young pistachio saplings are carefully planted in prepared fields, where they will grow into productive trees over the coming years. Advanced drip irrigation delivers precise amounts of water to each tree, helping farmers maximize efficiency. Each spring, pistachio trees bloom as pollen is carried through the orchard, allowing the nut-producing female trees to begin developing their crop. Over several months, pistachios gradually mature as the shells expand and the kernels inside develop. Throughout the season, farmers use modern technology and regular inspections to maintain healthy trees and protect the developing crop. Pistachios have many health benefits, such as helping to regulate blood sugar and supporting healthy cholesterol levels. The pistachio industry generates $1,500 million annually, making America the undisputed leader. But this success comes with challenges like water scarcity, diseases like verticillium wilt, shoot blight, and septoria leaf spot. By late summer, the pistachios reach full maturity, and farmers prepare specialized harvesting equipment for one of the busiest periods of the year. Specialized harvesters gently shake each tree, allowing thousands of mature pistachios to fall onto collection systems without touching the ground. Immediately after harvest, the pistachios are collected and transported to processing facilities. Every year, millions of pistachios are transformed into rich, creamy ice cream using advanced technology. Carefully selected pistachios arrive at the factory. The pistachios are thoroughly cleaned and sorted by advanced machines that remove shells, dust, and any unwanted material. To bring out their rich, nutty flavor, the pistachios are carefully roasted under controlled temperatures. The roasted pistachios are finely ground into a smooth paste that gives the ice cream its signature flavor and color. Fresh milk, cream, sugar, and other ingredients are blended together to create the smooth base for the ice cream. The pistachio paste is blended into the ice cream mixture, creating a rich and flavorful combination. The mixture is pasteurized for safety and homogenized to ensure a smooth, creamy texture throughout every batch. The mixture enters powerful freezers where it begins transforming into the creamy texture of pistachio ice cream. Automated machines fill, seal, and label thousands of containers with remarkable speed and precision. The packaged ice cream is rapidly hardened at extremely low temperatures to preserve its texture and quality. Once frozen and packaged, the pistachio ice cream is transported in refrigerated trucks to supermarkets across the country. From premium pistachios to a perfectly frozen dessert, every scoop reflects the precision and innovation of modern American ice cream manufacturing. If you like this incredible journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more agriculture journeys.